doing, guys? It's your boy RdnRacing and welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got something all JDM fans love, the Toyota Supra, the Mark IV Toyota Supra to say the least. So this is actually from your Hot Wheels Premium. I think also it's the Cruise Boulevard series, and I actually got this in the wild. I found this at Takashimaya, and I think I was just lucky enough to find this because it's a Supra. It's very hard to find, especially in a country like Singapore, where most of us collectors, a lot of us are JDM fans. So I'm more of an exotic guy, but a lot of JDM fans out there, and I think Supra is one of the harder cars to get. Obviously in the collection we've got the custom Mustang, the Chevy Chevelle SS, the hard body Nissan, as well as the classic Bug, which I've seen a lot of times in the wild, but I've never seen a Supra. I finally have it in my hands, in my collection, and I think I am super happy that I got this. I think it's gonna go amazingly well in my collection. I'm super pumped to have this. And yeah, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the car. We're gonna walk through it. Unfortunately, I don't see much details. I don't think there'll be much to talk about, but yet we're still gonna do the usual routine, and then we'll do a few rolling shots as usual. So yeah, it's almost the end of the year, guys, which means it's almost time for our anniversary of the channel. So I think that's something worth celebrating. I'm actually very anxious and looking forward to it. Anyways, here behold the Mark IV Toyota Supra and its amazing red paint job, its immaculate paint job. So let's begin. Right off the bat, the wheels spin amazingly well. The rears, I think they're fine. The rear is fine as well. So these are 6 spoke, sorry. Once again, they are 6 spoke rims with rubber tires. Of course, there are 2 doors, and it says Nitto at the bottom, which is the only decal on the right side of the vehicle. There's nothing else. There's nothing else at all. The petrol cap right there. The spoiler, which we'll get back when we go to the rear of the vehicle. But yeah, wheels spin amazingly. I think this car just looks menacing, doesn't it? I know it has this like vibe that gives off, like, it can go very fast and whatever. And I mean, true, if a Toyota Supra is tuned, you do know that it can go fast. If you look at the front, obviously we've got the Toyota emblem right there, the painted on headlights, the front grille, front splitter, small splitter as well, and the hood design right there. Nothing much, like I mentioned to you, besides the headlight. There's not a headlight and Toyota logo. There's nothing else here worth mentioning for, which is a bit weird. I would have liked to have more details, just to give the car a bit more character. But I mean, this car is just so subtle, and yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about that. But yeah, we're gonna continue anyway. So on the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same. Is that some defect? No, it's just alright. So obviously we've got a Nitto right there, which is the only decal on the left and right side of the vehicle. The 6 spoke rims and the wheels spin amazingly well with rubber tires once again. And yeah, there's nothing else over here worth mentioning. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if there's anything about this car you want to let me know. I think it's a relatively basic car. And if you look at the rear of the vehicle, obviously you've got a Toyota logo right there. It says Toyota over here as well, and it says Supra right there. The rear tail lights, the spoiler is actually quite big. If you guys can notice, the spoiler is actually decently big, which I think just helps to add a bit of character to the vehicle. And then we've got the exhaust pipe. And let's look at the bottom of the car. So for the base, it's a matte finish base. We've got some details at the axle at the back and some details in the axle in the front, and obviously the exhaust pipe as well. And that's about it for this car. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments if you guys like this car. If you would keep this in your collection, I definitely would have this. Actually, I'm super pumped to have this. I'm sorry if I'm getting speechless or like a bit weird, but yeah, I'm actually very happy and excited to have this in my collection. We're gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time unboxing this vehicle. It is gonna go amazingly, insanely well in my collection. I mean, especially for JDMs, you know. This is an insane JDM. But just like guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Bye.